Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a very interesting side dish made purely just with onions. We're going to make this very special South Indian style onion thokku. I have taken two different types of onions for this particular dish. So here I have 300 grams of shallots that I've removed the skin and cleaned it well and I've kept. And I've also taken about 200 grams of the large onions and just roughly chopped them. Now you can use a combination like how I'm making, or you can just make this with the large onions or just with the shallots. A choice is entirely up to you. So let's get started and check it out.
Take a look at the ingredients you need for making this recipe. I have taken 300 grams of shallots. Along with that, I have taken 200 grams of regular onions. Grind it in pulse mode. We need a coarse texture and not a smooth paste. Transfer the mixture to a bowl and set it aside. Now let's prepare a fragrant spice blend to enhance the taste and shelf life of the thokku. To a pan, add 1 teaspoon of Fenugreek Seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of Coriander Seeds, quarter teaspoon Cumin Seeds and roast them until fragrant. Adding Fenugreek and mustard seeds powder will add to the shelf life of the thokku. Once done, transfer it to a plate and cool it completely. Once cooled, grind to a fine powder and set it aside. To a nice white kadai, heat half cup of gingerly oil, 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of Cumin Seeds, 2 red chilies cut and roast them. Once the mustard seeds start to splutter, add a teaspoon of Asafoetida powder. Now gently add the ground onion mixture and stir well. Keep stirring continuously until the raw smell disappears and the moisture evaporates. Once all the moisture evaporates, it's time to add the salt and the spices. Add 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder and mix till everything blends well. Toss in fresh curry leaves for an extra burst of flavor. Now add the extract of 1 lemon-sized tamarind, mix well and cover the kadai with the lid slightly open. Let it simmer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you'll notice the oil has separated. This means the thokku is coming together perfectly. Mix it all again. For the final touch, add 1 teaspoon of jaggery and 1.5 teaspoons of freshly ground masala. Give it all a good mix and let it cook for another 5 minutes on low flame. And that's it. Our delicious, spicy and tangy onion thokku is ready. Let it cool completely before transferring it to an airtight container. This stays fresh for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy this flavorful thokku with hot steaming rice or as a side for idli, dosas or even chapatis. Make sure to follow all the steps to get it perfectly.
Well, I can't wait to try this onion thokku. It's a nice hot steamed rice. Oh, it looks so yummy. Fabulous. My God, such a simple dish. It's perfect with the steamed rice. Now you can enjoy this with curd rice, idlis, dosas, chapatis, anything that you want. Such a wonderful thokku. I can't stop eating. I absolutely enjoyed the onion thokku. It was so flavorful and it's very simple and easy to make. Make sure to follow all the steps to get it perfectly, and you can store it in a nice clean airtight glass jar and you can enjoy it for up to 10 to 15 days. So do give it a try and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.